Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Moroccan appetizer, the roasted peppers. Very delicious and nutritious recipe and very easy to make. You will be surprised how easy it is, but it's so delicious. Stay with me to see all the steps, and it's also called Taktouka. That's the Moroccan roasted peppers. I have here two kind of roasted peppers, the red and the yellow. You can use the green peppers too, bell peppers, any color you have. Yellow, green, orange, or red, any color. In a pot on top of the stove, I add some olive oil. I always cook with the olive oil. And they have some garlic here. You can use the fresh garlic, roasted garlic, or garlic powder, but the fresh one is the best for this recipe, or roasted garlic. I saute the garlic a little bit in olive oil. Don't leave it until it burn. It's only a little bit. Then I cut my roasted peppers and I add them to the olive oil and the garlic. And the roasted peppers, you can roast them on the air fryer or in the oven or on top of the stove. Then you take the skin off. I have here some preserved lemon. If you don't have the preserved lemon, you can use a little bit of lemon juice, salt, and cumin. This recipe we don't use black pepper, we use cumin, salt, cumin, and cayenne pepper or chili powder if you like it a little bit spicy. And for the herbs, I add the chopped cilantro. Some people add cilantro and parsley both, but I use on this recipe the chopped cilantro. It gives a very good taste to this recipe. That's how we do it usually in Morocco. Mix everything together and be sure that you have is a high heat, medium high, like that the peppers don't release all the liquid and fluids. Cover it for a few minutes, and as you see here, it's no liquids. You see only like oil. Now our pepper is done. Roasted peppers are done. We put it on the plate and it's ready to go. You can eat it in a warm or hot, however you prefer it. Usually we have it with a protein, a side chicken or lamb or beef. It's an appetizer. It's so delicious. We dip it usually with bread, or you can eat it with the fork. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe and new video. Enjoy!